Hello dear subscribers, today let's talk about how to fix Samsung always on display not centered. So actually, how to fix this problem on your Samsung. So first thing, just go to the settings, just open the settings. After, you just need to find here lock screen and ADD. So let's just find this option. Here you could see lock screen, just open that. After, you just need to turn on here. So here you could see that for me it's a disabled option, but you could see here unavailable while power saving is on. So you just need to turn off power saving, and after you will be able to just tap on that option. So after, you could also just try to change clock style to another one and just try to update it. After, just tap on done. If that doesn't work too, so please just check, just go back to screen zoom. Let's just find it in, I hope it will be in display. So let's just open that. After, you just need to find screen zoom here and just check. So maybe you have turned on screen zoom. So after, let's just go back and just open again lock screen. So just try to change that settings with always on display. So just try to turn that off. After, just restore your device and just turn that on again. So after, let's just try to turn on and hope that it will help you. Also, after, you could try to update your phone. So just please just check the latest updates for the device. So just scroll and here you will see software update. Just open that and just try to download and install the latest update. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.